good morning, wherever you are. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Going for breakfast outside of the house. I know, it's a regular spot that we go to from time to time. We haven't been in a while, and so we're going back to have breakfast there this morning. And then we go our separate ways. I like those tiles. Let's see. Buen día. Per-
La tosta.
Gracias.
Aprovecho.
Got up and I'm hungry and I have leftover rice from yesterday, so what are we gonna make? Your famous fried rice, eh? Veggie, shrimp, and corn. I'm gonna cook these down and get prepping. So I'm going in with the corn. Steamed veggie. Basically, we just want to cook this. That is fried rice with shrimp and sriracha. Provecho.
Thank you.
So I just done eating with the husband, and I'm looking to take Hindi out. And I told the husband what park I'm going, and he said, "Isn't that park traumatizing? A dog bit me." And I don't think I've been there in a long while, so I'm taking Hindi to that park so he can have some fun time. At the same time, I can get some steps in. So we are going on a walk.
For the fun time.
Andy had his fun time. He's tired. I don't know if you can hear him panting. And I got my walk time, exercise. And so I'm heading back. Stay positive, think on possibilities, and do what excites you.